Once upon a time, in the bustling city of New Heights, there were two men named Alex and Ben. They both grew up in the same neighborhood, attended the same schools, and shared the same dreams of achieving success and living a comfortable life. However, their paths diverged dramatically due to the choices they made when faced with opportunities. On the left side of the screen is Alex. He stands in his small, cluttered apartment, wearing worn-out clothes, and surrounded by the remnants of unfulfilled dreams. Alex's environment tells a story of struggle and hardship. Despite having the potential to achieve great things, Alex often hesitated when opportunities knocked on his door. He was always skeptical, doubting his abilities and fearing the unknown. Every time a new venture or job offer came his way, he found reasons to turn it down. "It's too risky," he'd say. "What if I fail?" These thoughts paralyzed him, keeping him stuck in a cycle of mediocrity and regret. On the right side of the screen is Ben. He stands in a sleek, modern office, dressed in a sharp suit, exuding confidence and success. Ben's environment is a testament to his achievements. Unlike Alex, Ben embraced opportunities with open arms. When a promising but uncertain business proposal came his way, he took the leap of faith. He invested time, effort, and sometimes even his savings, knowing that without risk, there is no reward. Ben's journey wasn't easy. He faced setbacks and failures just like anyone else. But he learned from them, adapted, and kept moving forward. His perseverance paid off, and he eventually built a thriving business that afforded him the luxurious lifestyle he once only dreamed of. The split-screen image of Alex and Ben serves as a powerful reminder of the consequences of our choices. Alex looks at the screen, seeing Ben's success as a stark contrast to his own reality. He realizes that his fear of failure and reluctance to seize opportunities have kept him from reaching his full potential. On the other hand, Ben's side of the screen is a testament to what can be achieved with courage, determination, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. As Alex reflects on his life, he understands that the key to success lies in taking action and not letting fear dictate his decisions. He decides to change his approach, vowing to say yes to opportunities and to believe in himself. Meanwhile, Ben continues to inspire those around him, sharing his story and encouraging others to take that leap of faith. The image of Alex and Ben is not just a story of two men but a lesson for us all. It teaches us that while opportunities may come our way, it's up to us to take them, make the most of them, and shape our destiny. The difference between a life of regret and a life of fulfillment often lies in the choices we make when opportunity knocks. So, when the next chance presents itself, remember Alex and Ben, and choose to be the hero of your own success story.
Hey Mike. I took the liberty of inviting the guest. They should be here any minute.
Hey guys, how are you? I saw a dream chaser coming in behind me.
Great, so we are all here. Now let's get to business. We all want to make more money from home and we have the perfect opportunity.
Wait, I'm not ready to get started. I have to go home and talk to my wife, kids and dog.
But you knew about this meeting for the last week.
Joey, go lock the damn door.